Forklifts are essential machinery in construction sites and other industrial workplaces. They require specific certification to be able to use to avoid incidences of accidents and workplace injuries. Despite these safeguards, however, 1 in every 10 forklifts is involved in a workplace accident. Forklifts caused 70 workplace accidents that resulted in fatalities in 2021, as well as about 7,300 non-fatal injuries that required the injured party to take a leave from work in 2020. Top-rated New York personal injury attorney Keetick L Sanchez discusses the dangers of forklift accidents. Forklifts have helped a lot in driving up efficiency in construction and industrial sites. With the improvement of safety standards and operating procedures, forklifts have continued to be a staple part of work sites in New York, as they literally do some of the heavy lifting in our job sites. Under Regulation 1910.178, New York's Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, requires all forklift operators in the state to undergo certification and training and be re-evaluated every 3 years. Before a worker can operate a forklift on a job site, they need to have the appropriate certifications or risk being sued. Both employers and contractors can face hefty fines and criminal charges if found to be violating the law. Causes of construction accidents and other forklift-related occupational risks. Forklifts may not be as big as other construction machinery, but they are still powerful industrial machines. According to the National Safety Council, most of the recorded injuries caused by forklifts are in the service and production industries, with construction also being among the top industries affected by forklift accidents. Common risks associated with forklifts are injuries due to driving malfunctions, collisions, and falls from a forklift truck. These hazards can be avoided with proper training and risk prevention measures. Awareness of the potential risks and the common reasons for accidents involving forklifts can be instrumental in avoiding the possibility of forklift accidents from happening. Types of forklift-related accidents. Accidents can still happen to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. Regardless of the safety standards and protocols in place, there can be aggravating conditions that can contribute to the possibility of an accident happening. Accidents involving forklifts can include the following. 1. Overturned forklifts or rollovers. 2. Collisions when reversing. 3. Falling debris from unsecured cargo. 4. Mechanical malfunctions. 5. Operator error. 6. Collisions against other workers. 7. Unsecured forklifts falling from operation platforms. It is an employer's duty to follow the safety standards and make sure that employees have the necessary certifications to operate machinery to avoid accidents. When an accident happens due to an employer or employee's disregard for safety protocols, it makes them liable for causing the accident due to their negligence. Kinds of injuries in New York forklift accidents. Injuries in forklift accidents can vary depending on whether the injured party was operating the equipment or a bystander at the time of the accident. According to OSHA and the National Safety Council, the most common types of injuries in forklift accidents are the following. 1. Fractures. 2. Bruises and contusions. 3. Muscle pain and soreness. 4. Soft tissue sprains, strains, and tears. 5. Cuts and lacerations. 6. Multiple traumatic injuries. 7. Amputations. 8. Wrongful death. Injuries sustained in a forklift accident can range from minor bruising to severe life-threatening injuries. Industrial and construction workers are at risk of being crushed by forklifts or cargo in collision accidents or getting thrown off of the vehicle due to malfunctions. This is why specific emphasis is given to making sure that safety protocols and guidance about maintenance are followed. Types of compensation you can receive in a forklift accidents claim. People who are injured in a forklift accident have two options when filing a claim. If the person is not an employee on the job site, they can file a personal injury claim against the negligent parties. For employees injured on the job, say in a construction accident, they can utilize their workers' compensation benefits. Workers' comp in New York covers medical bills and everyday expenses for injured workers, but the compensation acquired in a workers' comp claim can be less inclusive compared to a personal injury case. When you avail of workers' comp benefits, you may be unable to file a personal injury case against your employer, and some types of compensation like pain and suffering may not be available for you. Workers' compensation covers the following types of damages in New York. 1. Medical expenses. 2. Lost wages. 3. Temporary payment of partial and total disability benefits. 4. Permanent payment of partial and total disability benefits. 5. Wrongful death benefits. While you may not be able to claim other types of damages in a workers' comp benefit case, there's no need to prove that another party's negligence caused the accident you were involved in. It only matters that you were on the job and that the accident happened in the workplace. When claiming damages in a personal injury case, however, you will still need to prove negligence and determine the party who is liable for your injuries. Get quality legal assistance from the experienced New York forklift accident attorneys at L Sanchez Law Office. Workplace accidents can leave a person vulnerable not only to financial issues due to medical expenses but also due to not being able to earn a living. Forklift accidents can cause serious damage and can be avoided if all the responsible parties exercise their part in following safety protocols. Workers injured in forklift accidents are entitled to file a claim for the injuries they sustained, either in a workers' compensation claim or in a personal injury suit. At L Sanchez Law Office, our team of experienced forklift accidents attorneys may be able to help you file a claim in a timely manner and assist you in getting the compensation you deserve. We can help gather and investigate the nature of your accident and file a third-party personal injury suit if necessary. If you have been injured in a forklift accident, whether in a construction site or other industry, your ultimate focus should be on your recovery. We'll do the legal heavy lifting for you. Contact us today at 646-701-7990 to schedule a complimentary consultation.